Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to insert watermark in Excel 365. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to insert watermark in Excel 365. Method 1. Insert a watermark in Excel using WordArt. Using WordArt is the easiest way to add watermarks if you don't have a logo or image ready in the first place. To do so, after opening your Excel sheet, go to the View tab and click on Page Layout. Under the Insert tab, inside the text group, select the WordArt option. Select a suitable WordArt style and type the text you want to appear as a watermark. Format the font details including its color, size, angle, etc. as per your requirements. You can also drag the WordArt to any suitable location. You have successfully added a watermark to your worksheet using WordArt. You can now print this sheet along with the watermark if needed. Method 2. Insert a watermark in Excel using the header and footer option. If you already have a watermark logo or image ready, you can use the header and footer option to add it immediately to your Excel sheet. For this, open your Excel sheet, go to the Insert tab and click on the Text section drop-down button. Under the drop-down list, select the Header and Footer option. This will take you to the Page Layout view with Headers and Footers sections. You will also notice that there are 3 boxes in the Header section. Click on any of these 3 boxes and select the Picture option under the Header and Footer Design Tools tab in the Ribbon section. For example, if you need to add the watermark in the center, choose the box in the middle. Locate and select the picture of the logo or watermark on your desktop. This will add the picture as a watermark to your spreadsheet. Please note that the actual image will not be displayed here. Instead, a and picture message will appear to indicate that a watermark has been inserted. Click on any cell in the Excel sheet to see the watermark image. Keep in mind that you can add only one watermark image at a time to one of the 3 boxes in the header section. Also, even after inserting the watermark image, Excel will still remain in the Page Layout view. You have to manually switch back to the normal view by going to the View tab, Workbook Views, then Normal. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to insert watermark in Excel 365 in 2 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.